Hello! Workhorse is going to $30 by January, and that means I'm buying right now! I am going to share with you the 5 reasons why I think Workhorse will double my money within a few months. Stay tuned. It's all too simple. In case you stumbled on here, I am the simple trader. My freedom portfolio is going through the roof. I am picking massive growth stocks based on in-depth research and analysis, and I present these to you with no strings attached. All I simply ask for in return is you smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you found this content useful. Please note I am not a financial advisor, so everything I say on this channel is for entertainment purposes only. Let's jump right into Workhorse. If this is the first time you've heard of this stock, then let me give you a quick 30-second introduction. Workhorse is an electric vehicle company founded in 1998 by investors who took over the General Motors P30 series stepvan. In 2015 they were taken over by A&P Electric Vehicles, who then changed company name to Workhorse. Now Workhorse vehicles are primarily aimed at the last mile delivery, meaning their vehicles target the delivery truck sector with potential customers such as the US Postal Services, DHL and FedEx. They're also developing delivery drones which are integrated into their vehicles with an escape hatch on the roof that would essentially mean contactless delivery. Before we get into my 5 reasons, let's review the price chart action of Workhorse. Workhorse has seen some huge spikes and dips, but essentially trading around the $3 mark for some time until mid-June, when the price started to explode up to and over $20. This was on the back of the one major catalyst, which is the USPS contract to replace their entire fleet of delivery trucks. The price then consolidated up till September, when we saw another parabolic move up to $30. This was obviously in anticipation of the USPS contract award. However, due to the contract not being awarded on the anticipated mid-September date, the dumping of Workhorse stock actually began and sent the stock tumbling to a low of around $15. The stock has since gone up a little bit, but essentially it is now in consolidation zone. So without further ado, let's look at the 5 reasons why I am buying Workhorse stock today. Price action consolidation. As we reviewed already, the price action tells me we'd likely hit a bottom range where there is significant resistance. This tells me now is a fantastic opportunity to be buying at the dip. Do you know who else is buying? ARK Invest. If you don't know who they are, well, I may do a video on them shortly, but basically their ETFs are destroying the markets and the index returns. Say no more. USPS contract. This is by far the biggest catalyst, as a USPS contract is reportedly worth an estimated $6 to $8 billion. That is no joke. Currently, the USPS fleet are old and literally catching on fire. The contract has been dwindled down to 3 remaining tenders, with Workhorse being the only one offering a full EV delivery truck. Safe to say the future is going EV. I mean, we just have to look at Tesla and NIO in terms of passenger vehicles. I can see Workhorse winning at least 1/3, if not all of the contract. This gives us a 2-month window to get in on the stock before the coming catalyst. We saw Workhorse skyrocket to $30 when the anticipated USPS contract date was edging closer. The likelihood that the USPS contract date will be awarded by the end of this year is very high, coming from a lot of sources. That's why, without question, I believe Workhorse will be going parabolic again. You do not want to miss this opportunity, and trust me, it's not if but when. Workhorse are already manufacturing their range of vehicles, and unlike some other recent EV companies who are only selling a concept, Workhorse are delivering trucks to customers right now. They also own a 10% stake in Lordstown Motors, who have recently gone public. In July, Workhorse announced deliveries of their vans began, and they will be offering the C-Series all-electric step van through the company's Choice Lease and Select Care, as well as for short-term rentals on Coupe by Riders. Other orders for vehicles have also been coming in, so even without the USPS, I expect Workhorse to continue to grow in the future. Drone technology. Workhorse is more than just an EV truck company, as they are fully going into the drone technology delivery business. This for me is huge and a massive potential future market, and one that Workhorse is positioned extremely well to take profit from. Recently they have submitted a formal application to the FAA for type certification of its Horsefly delivery drone, which can be fully integrated into their delivery trucks. This would mean contactless delivery, which is clearly the future of parcel deliveries when we think about what the pandemic has done worldwide and the way it will change our lives going forward. US elections. It's looking like a Biden win, and under Biden's campaign, the push for renewable and sustainable energy is clear. Workhorse already secured eligibility for their vehicles for the New York Truck Voucher Incentive Program that provides vouchers to reduce the costs of each vehicle. It's inevitable that more states and cities will start offering such incentives under a new government regime such as Biden. So there is simply a huge space for Workhorse to grow, and I can see the stock doubling if the USPS contract is awarded and Workhorse gets a piece of it. If the USPS contract is solely awarded to Workhorse, I can see the stock going to at least $60. As I'm recording this, Workhorse is in the red and down 2% at $17. I love me some buying on a red day. It basically means a sale. I will be dipping into some Workhorse stock, and I will share my position with you in my next Workhorse update. It's going to be an exciting 2 months to reach the end of 2020, and let's see what Workhorse ends on. Please leave me a comment down below with what you think is going to happen, and if you hold any position in Workhorse and what your thoughts are going forward. If you want to stay up to date with all my latest content, please smash that subscribe button so you get notified first. Stay tuned for more analysis, news and updates on Workhorse stock. I am the Simple Trader and will simply see you next time.